Good morning. Good morning. Welcome to the vlog. Welcome to the vlog. So today is what? December 14th or 15th? Is it the 14th? 15th. Today is the 15th, so we have like 10 more days for Christmas. Yeah, guys. So today is the 15th, and we just run some errands, and I know Christmas season. So all you have to do is errands, and if anyone I wanna ever talk about a sweater, you know, it's a sweater, so I could wear it numerous times. So say something to my face. Yeah? Say it now? Say it.
Well, yeah, wear the same sweater over and over, and the hat too.
Because it's everyday, it's an everyday wear. So anyways, guys, we're running to what the place on it? We're running to Five Below. Then I go change out these pillows. Pillow covers. I didn't even realize that I picked up 2 different colors, 2 different patterns. So I go change those. Then Renee, I got the ear store. As I can't hear the pit of them in our background, I play them foolishness. Well, tablets.
Oh, each one not working, the radio is not working. Let me see.
Then I'm gonna come back and finish decorate the living room, and that should be it for the living room because everything else is done already. I might have to steam the rug again. Because you don't know the baby them there, so everything them eat up on the rug. And I go do my bedroom, and I think we're also gonna do some gingerbread house thingamajiggy. So that's the plan for today. Hopefully that can happen, cause it never go how I plan. Yeah, so come with us on the road. Alright guys, we're at Five Below.
No carts.
I think we passed one out here, son. Go on. We'll get this one. This lady coming with one. This not too feeble for 3. I mean, I can use it. Maybe through them not set it up properly. So one lady I come with one car. How much for 5?
25.
Oh, you have that?
I mean, him and Safi would go, Safi get one one.
What are y'all getting?
This one? You guys.
I want a game we could play one other night.
What about Candyland?
One named Candyland. Guys, they have a whole bunch of games over here. This is a color hop.
I want to learn to play chess.
Chess is almost, not the really, like
Checkers?
checkers. And I can play checkers. Don't lose your clue. I could draw that.
We just don't have one to hold it.
Where y'all going with this stuff? Go guys. Come Adrian. No, why? Put it back, please. You picking up one of everything in the store?
Go back.
Enough to put Uno.
No. Domino, yes, but that's every day. Merry Christmas! Royal Christmas!
Will be very special Christmas for me.
Alright guys, so I got all my stuff, got my receipt, my So one thing get out of the way, we're done with gift shopping as far as Five Below goes, and trust me, not sure it's a big Five Below that means everything in there is for
No,
$5.
one of the things was 25. That's
So-
4 times the below.
So don't listen to them. Don't listen to them about Five Below.
Not that's 4 times above the below what I'm saying.
4 times below or 4 times above.
That's why I'm gonna correct myself the second time.
But you still say below the second time.
It's 5. No, I forgot it.
It's 4 times above the
It's
5
4
below.
times above the 5 below.
Alright, my friend, I got Joey, so might as well just go straight.
Go Joe's and then go up that hill. Forget to just after school because
Jeremy.
he's
Alright guys, I got these exchanged. So I got 2 of the same thing now. We're gonna run and grab some water.
the wine glasses and the plates and some glass plates.
Wine glass for
I just want some for my house. No, I'm not money for my house. Next time.
Yo, that day did snow me that to bring the little boy to school,
and it did barely. No, that
and it
did.
did barely snow. You know, you go up the hill right away.
Alright guys, so I got into a minor accident, but just be careful out there guys, be careful. He even left the scene of the accident. Mash up the car. But thank God, I'm good. It could have been worse. Because actually I went to pick up my daughter and didn't even realize she had a game away from school. So I didn't get her. Daddy knows if she was in the car. Well, that happened, God forbid. Because at her side, where she would have been sitting, get the blunt of the accident like crazy. I really don't even know what the car looked like because I just know the windshield break, the bag now? The airbag and everything. But guys, I will keep you all in check. Yeah, bye. Thank God for life. Look up there, son. See that? And thank Cheval de here. Yeah, so Renee them come. Guys, just know that for the most part I'm okay. I mean, I'm sore and in pain and things like that, So, you know, just be careful out there, guys. We have people that are just reckless drivers. Alright, so I'm about to get a drive and head out to where the car was towed to see what's going on. Them give me one big price, guys. It's crazy how much towing costs. Plus them clean up the area, them say, and they charge you for that. Plus they charge you for however long it's at the facility, which is now going on 2 days. Gladly it's not no whole heap of money daily. I think it's like about $26 daily. So bright and early Monday morning, I'm gonna head up there and see the car for the first time. Hopefully it's not too bad where the car right off, because I haven't heard anything about it, neither from the police or nothing like that. So him have a cold, him just itch up on me right there, so. But I'm gonna try my best, guys, to see how much I can give you guys. It might not be on the day it's supposed to be, but I'll try my best. So until a little later, when everybody get up, let's see what we can do. Yes, I don't know what's going on here. Call your father. 0303. This down here is a bus. This down here is a bus. This one card under the bus. From the thing.
Oh my God. Okay.
I don't know what to do with it. It's a hot water.
The whole, and it can't turn off even touch it.
I don't know where to turn off the water.
It would probably be in the basement. This is just one disaster after next. Really? The Grinch really that on we this Christmas? Hello? Hello?
Put him on video.
Yeah, Tanisha, hold on 1 second. Paul.
Alright guys, the whole place flood out. Water everywhere.
And this isn't even the worst part, and I missed the worst part.
Yeah guys, I just one of them day where life just throw you a curveball. Yeah, what you gonna do? Who me can't beat up? Can't beat up nobody. Hunger can call the landlord. Him send somebody. Actually him come out, come look on the damage. So he's gonna send the plumber now to come take care of this. Right, he must send the plumber come take care of that. And I'm left cleaning up the mess. For the most part, I don't have anywhere to put the stuff that was under the sink, so now them I go just there everywhere. So I say, it's just one of those days. Just one of those days. I try to humble. What am I gonna do? What am I gonna do? Feel like crying, but what am I gonna do? Yeah, try clean up the place. Try clean up the place, and the more I clean up, the more I have to clean up. More added. Alright guys, this is what the car looks like. It's crazy. But yeah. So basically I'm just here trying to assess the damage to the car and things like that, and as you can see guys, it's total. There is no repairing this or nothing like that, and the driver had the audacity to leave the scene at the crime, like a hit and run. Like, come on. After you drive all calm, me? You wanna leave the scene of the accident? So I'm just trying to get my stuff out of here, and we're just gonna total the car.